Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
This is the Success Family.
So today we are going to be doing rock paper scissors
while eating.
Oh, so let us pray first. Watoto wakule haraka. That is the only way to eat githeri and rice.
We haven't had the rules.
What are the rules?
Not speaking
No speaking
Kiswahili.
in Kiswahili. Okay, we can speak in Swahili.
No speaking Swahili.
Really
If
well.
you speak Swahili, we add a translator there for English.
Okay, we'll do that later. So can we start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm starting with
Okay.
you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Show me what you got.
Ah!
Okay,
Rock, paper, scissors. Show me what you got.
Ah!
rock, paper.
That medicine is for after. After that, we eat.
Okay.
Ouch!
Mom. Bado. We are still there.
Show me what you got. Ouch!
If she wins this next round,
It's good for you.
Bado. He still has food.
Now eat.
We have a winner. First, Mom goes to third place. I'm second place. She's first place. That place.
So guys,
I'm
the first
place.
one. I don't think we finished.
Second one.
I don't think 10 minutes are over since we served food. Na ilikuwa githeri na mchele na wamekula. Wamemaliza. It wasn't chicken. Then we've eaten. That is the only way kids can eat fast and quick. Bye bye guys.
We'll see you in the next video.
Round. Yeah.